Welcome to 9220 James Ave South in Bloomington again. This building is also off of the 35W in a great location on 35W and 90th. This building's mostly industrial. It's about 43,000 square feet. We've got 3 spaces here. We've got one large space home to a large industrial tenant that's about 30,000 square feet. Another large space about 8,000 square feet. And then a small space, roughly 2,000 to 3,000 square feet building. All the spaces are pretty much industrial throughout, and then there's a little bit of office spread out. The building is great. It's got a couple loading docks in the back. It's got 2 loading docks and 2 garages in the back. And a lot of this HVAC has been replaced over the years, and most of the roof has been replaced. If you're looking for a new place for your business to call home, we've got a few spaces here that could work out for you. If you're looking to move in, give us a call, and we'd love to help you come into this building. Thanks for watching.